push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It looks like pretty nice. Maybe you can get one little push, Mummy.
Beep.
Now I'm Lilo. Push it
Okay.
again. Push it, Mummy.
Beep. Eek.
Eek.
Now I'm
Lilo.
and
Polka dot. Push it again. Twice. Beep, beep.
beep beep.
Now there's two of me. Push it.
A bunch of times.
Beep, 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 beep.
Beep 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 beep.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Check all the instruments.
Shake the book.
Get all the auxiliaries.
Shake shake.
That's it.
Big shake. Take tummy out. Turn the page. Almost.
Almost.
A little more. Big shake. Take dummy out.
Look.
There we go.
Look. It looks like pretty nice.
It says to scratch.
Tell me to get him back to normal.
To what? Back to what? Scratch Larry's tummy to
Get him back to normal.
scratch, scratch, scratch.
I'm scratching his eyes.
Oh. What does Larry say?
It tickles. Don't.
Okay, much better.
Let's not push the button again. Beep. I pushed it. I pushed it. Beep.
But that was.
I beeped it.
So what does he say? It was
Pretty nice.
maybe just a
Couple more. Beep,
beep,
beep.
beep, beep.
Can I go back to
What happens to Larry?
the Dormouse?
He's Jormus.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.